With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, if a second's pendulum is moved to a planet where acceleration due to gravity is 4 times the length of the second's pendulum on the planet should be made. Okay, so we have been given that the second pendulum is moved to a planet where acceleration due to the gravity is 4 times the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth. Okay, now what will be the length of the second's pendulum on the planet should be made. Now in the question we have been given that acceleration due to gravity on the planet, let us suppose as g dash, is 4 times the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth. Now the time period for second's pendulum is given as 2 pi under root of L upon g. Now for second's pendulum, the time period is 2 seconds. So t is equals to 2, that will be equals to 2 pi under root of L upon g. Let us suppose this is your equation number 1. Now if we take the second's pendulum in the other planet where g dash is 4 times g, so the new time period will be equals to 2 pi under root of L dash upon g dash. Correct. Now since it is a second's pendulum, so the time period will remain same, that is 2 seconds. Correct. So let us suppose this is your equation number 2. So compare equation number 1 and equation number 2. We can write under root of L dash upon g dash will be equals to under root of L upon g from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Okay. So L dash upon g dash will be equals to L upon g, and g dash is nothing but 4 times g. So this will be equals to L upon g. So the new length L dash must be 4 times the original length. Okay. So choosing out from the options, option 2 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.